everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to update your PayPal app without losing data. First of all, ensure your account is linked. Your PayPal data is iCloud based, so make sure your email, phone and bank card info are correctly linked. Next, check your internet connection. Use a stable Wi-Fi to prevent uninterrupted downloads. Now we should update your app, so go ahead and open your app store, search for PayPal and see if there is an update button. If there is, update it to the latest version. Next, we are going to reopen the app after updating. All your account info, payment methods and history remain intact because it's saved on PayPal's servers. Privacy tip: only update through the official app store to avoid fake or malicious versions. Quick fix: if update fails, restart your iPhone and retry. Delete and reinstall the app. Your account data will sync back automatically when you log in. Subscribe for more fast PayPal and iPhone tips.